Good morning. We've had a night of rain, some morning sprinkles. Let's still walk through and see how the garden has enjoyed or what destruction the rain has brought. The elderberry is so full and heavy, and I guess the wind got too full and heavy. I have an elderberry branch down. I wasn't going to do anything with the blossoms, but this kind of forces me to harvest what blossoms I have. Getting new snapdragons and the asters. They're so beautiful. Is there one aster? Yeah, look, there's one aster. Little bud. Let's go ahead and pull this grass here after rain. So easy to pull that grass, especially this old long stuff. Just has roots for miles. Just roots for miles. There we go. Is there some on this side? There we go. Come on up here. There we go. Stand that back up there. How the raindrops are on the deal. You see that? Sweet. Rosemary. Smells good. Look at those blooming together. Oh, how pretty. I almost love them at this stage. It's like a toddler, huh? Just like a toddler. Water's holding here, hear me? Oh, look at the raindrops on the asparagus. Helping me pick strawberries, aren't you? I made some millet this morning. It's hulled. You're used to seeing millet and birdseed. The little round has a lower glycemic. You can use it like a cream of wheat. I'm so glad that this right here stayed up. It's usually the one that falls over every time. Oh, look, you can see the tomato. Can you see the tomato blossom? Right there. Sylvia's coming out some more. Oh, there's a burgundy dahlia. Oh, I know, but I think I'll sink too far. Yeah, no, I'm gonna sink too far. I'm not gonna pull weeds there. The ground's too wet. Anyways, should put some of these on the millet that I made this morning. It's put 2 cups of water for 1 cup of millet, but actually it probably needs 3.5 cups. Hey, that transplant there, she's doing really good. She's doing really good. A couple more weeks, I'll pull that garlic up. It's beginning to yellow, and stand the eggplant up. She's fallen over from the rain and even beginning to grow. Fallen over. That's sweet how we'll just grow where you're at. Just grow. I replanted that. That did really well. It just needed real water. Aww. You sure are pretty, Miss Dahlia. Oregano. So much oregano. This is ironwood. A lot of people are using that for pain management and all different kinds of ways to like get it all and pinch it down and put it in with some vodka and use it as a tincture. I've gotten the leaves before and let them dry and made a tea. And how I learned about it is I just would go on walks with the dogs, and I really, I won't say I don't enjoy walking, but I don't enjoy walking. But going and looking and figuring out all what those plants were, I really learned a lot. These I can kind of bend over and straighten up a little bit. See, that one did really well. And they all will. Or they'll grow crooked and still bloom. The blooms will be straight. Those did really well. See, before rain, there's a work. And after a rain, there's a work. I love that color. It's really pretty with the purple. While she's blooming short, I'm going to cut her pretty deep and see if we can get more branching. With the big tall ones, I just really fret and don't want to because I just love the height of her. But she really is going to be too tall and blow over. So maybe I should cut a bloom and cut it really deep. I mean, she's just massive, like a sunflower. Liam. My Julia. Oh, look. Look, Hannah. Look, Ruby. Look, Sam. My Julia Child Rose is thriving. Oh, I'm so tickled. She's going to be yellow roses. She'll be beautiful. Maybe in October. Maybe she'll bloom in June. The Secrets, they're still doing pretty good. Still doing pretty good. They like a shade. Yeah, it's still not painted. One day I'm going to surprise y'all. One day I'm going to surprise y'all. What else should we go and see this morning? It's a holiday. It's Memorial Day. So there is hardly any traffic. Here's some basil. You know, I just cut that one basil plant the other day. Pretty heavy because it was going to seed, making little flowers and going to go to seed. And I made some basil pesto. I used some of the garlic scapes, some pecans, because that's what I had on hand. We don't really care for the pine nuts. It tastes like a pine tree smells, and anyways, it's kind of astringent. We don't really care for the flavor. I don't mind it. Papa's like, nah, not like he's going to eat a whole lot of pesto. These are really sweet, aren't they? Really sweet. But I think you just need, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be 6, but maybe there wasn't. But they just, I kind of lost here, but they're growing a lot of shade. So maybe I need to move them over there where my onions and spinach were. These have fallen with that rain, but they're moist. They are moist. Oh, this one got some rain. I was wanting it to get some. It looks like it's got a lot. Let's see if I can turn some of that out. And it does have rocks and stuff in the bottom of it, but it just got enough rain. I'll let my onions right there to dry. Need to move them. Put a handful of strawberries. That's what happens. I should always take the gathering basket with me. Always should take the gathering basket with me. Because I'm going to be gathering. Just going to be gathering. I planted this right here. And it is a white creeping thyme. And I put it off of the pathway because I just didn't really believe that we could walk on it and it'd survive. So I put it over there just to get the habit, understand it. Oh, this D light, that's what my daddy calls me, D. I'm going to put these strawberries in here. It's just nothing better than rainwater, right? I think it's better than the rural water in the tap. I think just eating it fresh out of the dirt, if it doesn't have too much dirt, because it just make it crunchy. But let's get this gathered. But I had to put my shoes up high. The pups just think they're really cute by running off with them. They want to play a game, don't they? Don't they? And have these fallen over because of the weight, or are they reaching for the sun? See how they reach for the sun? But it's a sunny bed. Okay. And they're off. They know the squirrels are out there with those fruit trees, and they are not happy about it. Okay. So I'm going to leave y'all here and collect our harvest by choice or damage from the winds. Ratty, you're a mess. Don't jump on me. Okay, Bootsy. He's a mess, ain't he? Okay, y'all have a great day.